Good morning, Pipe Beacons. It's great to be spending time with you all again. Welcome to our virtual summer camp. It's so lovely to see you all back at camp again, even if it is from the comfort of our own homes. My name's Johnny. I was a counsellor back in 2014 and 2016. I'm sure some of my old friends will be joining in this summer, but to all my new friends, it's great to meet you and we're going to have a great time together. Even if it is from the comfort of our own homes, us Pipe Beacons always shine through and we can have loads of fun together. As you can see behind me, we've got the palm house filled with lovely plants from all around the world. Normally in our camp nature walk, we'd be walking around camp, we'd see lots of pine cones, bugs. If you're really lucky, you might see a rattlesnake or a bobcat. But today we're in sunny Liverpool in England, home to the Beatles and our one and only nature guy, Adam Burns. So I hope you've all got your bingo cards from the Facebook page. As we're walking around, we'll keep our eyes peeled for everything on the cards. And if you let me know whenever you find something, you can shout it out, you can mark it off on your bingo card, or you can comment under the video. The Palm House in Liverpool is surrounded by statues of famous English characters from over the years. Here's one now. Who do you think this is?
There it is, Wendy. Sam's down to the right and straight on to the morning.
So normally we go to Lake Gregory for the camp trip, but today we're going to go somewhere just a bit different. Let's see what's around the corner. Canadian geese are just back after a long migration. They spend their winters in Canada and they come here to Sefton Park Pond to spend their lovely warm summers and have all their babies. So there's lots of geese come visit Sefton Park every summer. See how many you can count. I've tried counting, but there's just too many for me. Let's just take a minute to watch the geese and all their babies. It's so hot today here in Liverpool, so I think I need to go for a lie down. We've been doing so much this morning. Come on with me. Oh, look at that. Oh look, I found a secret path. Let's go. What will we find down here? I can hear people walking above us. There's some beautiful vegetation about. We've got some lovely colour in the background, but these are what you want to stay away from. We call them nettles. I think they've got a different name in America, but you don't want to touch these. You'll come out in an angry rash and it's not very pleasant. If you look into the tree, you can see one of England's native birds, a magpie. There's a famous rhyme to go with seeing magpies, and it goes like this: 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a girl, 4 for a boy, 5 for silver, 6 for gold, 7 for a secret never to be told. Oh look, a blackbird feeding its babies in its nest. I'm just going through the scary tunnel. If you look into this little cave, there's a legend that a troll lives in here, and at night time when the sun sets, he comes out and he looks after the whole park. He's the park's guardian. I've never seen him though. I just want to say a big well done to everyone for working so hard during the stay-at-home order to keep everyone safe. We're a family at Pivika. We're a big Pivika family and we're all here for each other. See you soon. Bye. Hi everybody. So now I'm back from my nature walk and I think it's time to go through the bingo cards and see how everyone's done. First of all, we have a tree. Now there was plenty to see. Did you see one? Then we had a squirrel. Did you see any squirrels running about? Number 3 is the pond. I saw a pond, but did you spot one? Number 4 is a duck. Did you see any ducks swimming in the water? Number 5 is a cloud. Did you see any clouds? It was a very sunny day. Number 6 is a flower. Did you see any flowers in the park? Number 7 was stepping stones. I had lots of fun on the stepping stones and I'm sure you saw that. Number 9, no, it wasn't number 9. Number 8 was Peter Pan. Did you see a statue of Peter Pan anywhere in the park? Number 9 was a log. Where was the log? Did you see a log? Number 10 was the magpie, the black and white bird. Do you remember seeing a magpie? Is it marked down on your bingo card? Number 11 was geese. Did you see any geese swimming about? And finally, number 12 was a bird's nest. This was a sneaky one, it was hard to spot. Did anyone see the secret bird's nest anywhere? Thank you everyone so much for joining me today. I had so much fun. I miss you all lots. I hope you all are enjoying camp and I can't wait for us all to do more activities together. I hope you're all staying safe, having a good time at home, and thank you all for doing your part during the stay-at-home order. Sending lots of love to all our Pride Vegans. I can hear people walking above.